Let's assume you've got table in a Microsoft Fabric warehouse that you want to rename. In my case, I've got a typo in my table, as you can see here, so I want to rename it. You can easily do it using a very short stored procedure SQL statement. The command that you need to use is sp-rename. So let's select a new SQL query and start typing it. sp underscore rename, open square bracket, dbo dot, and now type the current name of the table. Close square bracket, comma, open square bracket, and type the new name of the table. Close square bracket, click run. It should take a few seconds and the table will be renamed. As you can see, the table has now been renamed. The stored procedure sp-rename works with any user objects such as tables, stored procedures, and functions.